Endless hours in the gym, sweat, effort, but also deprivation, diets and hunger, and still you may not get the expected results. In addition, your psychology drops and your confidence disappears for good. Eventually, you lose the will to try to achieve what you have been planning. Hi, my name is Luisa, and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about Ikaria Lean Belly Juice before actually buying the product. I also have some really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about Ikaria Lean Belly Juice is, be careful with the website you're going to buy Ikaria Lean Belly Juice from, because Ikaria Lean Belly Juice is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. Ikaria Lean Belly Juice Powder creates a very pleasant and tasty drink, which apart from cheering you up with its pleasant taste, accelerates your organism's metabolism, boosts your body's energy levels from morning to night evening, to perform at your best at work and in the gym, and promotes your slimmer, more beautiful and above all healthy body. This juice contains potent nutrients that can enhance your metabolism and assist your body in burning fat more efficiently. Ikaria Lean Belly Juice is a food supplement made to help overweight people lose weight safely and healthily. It can also help people with common health problems feel better. Its interior contains a variety of natural blends that are designed to reduce fat storage, reduce inflammation, control hunger and cravings, and speed up digestion. It starts with weight loss, concentrating on stubborn fat areas that resist diet and exercise. It will result in a faster metabolism, which will ensure that you stay energetic throughout the day, burn fats, and have better digestion, among other benefits. Aside from that, this supplement lowers uric acid levels, which aids in weight loss and overall wellness. So what is Ikaria Lean Belly Juice, and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, Ikaria Lean Belly Juice works, and after many laboratory tests, researchers identified that there is a natural formula with concentrated ingredients that will burn stubborn fat, which no other dietary formula offers. It is neither a metabolic booster, stimulant, nor thermogenesis inducer. Instead, it controls the risk factors that make metabolism impaired in the first place, and one of the main factors it changes is ceramides. The ceramides are a part of skin cells and play an important role in digestion, energy production, and fat accumulation. So obesity can be controlled by changing the ceramide levels inside the body. The ingredients inside this product work on ceramides and clear the body from the excess, giving the metabolism to get fully functional and burn the fat obtained from the food. When all of these calories are used to generate energy, there is little to no chance of fat accumulation. This way, the body never gains weight, no matter what you eat later. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with Ikaria Lean Belly Juice, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test Ikaria Lean Belly Juice for 180 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Also, for Ikaria Lean Belly Juice to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day, or else you won't see great results and you'll actually get a little frustrated. Ikaria Lean Belly Juice comes in a powdered form that is easy to dissolve and mix into any liquid. It comes in a jar, with 30 doses inside. The daily dosage is only a scoop, mixed in any drink of your choice. You can see the initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. Also important for you to know, Ikaria Lean Belly Juice has no side effects since it is natural. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy Ikaria Lean Belly Juice from, and also, if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that Ikaria Lean Belly Juice actually helps you a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this product promotes.